Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Jim, how are you reading the formation?
Well, a system promoted by the rise of total football, Peter. The wider players in the front three are key operators in how it all works on and off the ball. They have to provide for the central striker, of course, and protect their fullbacks, so they'll get few breathers. If these two don't make a good impression, there are quite good replacements on the bench.
As you can see, we've already started here. Cuts it out. He's picked him out. Has a goal! Could fall kindly. And he's done it!
Listen, scoring early doesn't guarantee you anything, but the first goal is always important, and that's a terrific opener.
He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate, and we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And it's played forward. Knocks it away. Tries to get it forward quickly. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Forward it goes. Tries a shot! Lacking in accuracy.
Yeah, on another occasion, all that went wrong may come right.
There has been just the early goal here, and the score is 1-0. It's being played forward. He's made sure that that won't get through. Hoists it forward. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now a chance to break. Play for a throw. Tries to locate someone up front. Drives it towards the front. And it's played forward. And that has been cleared. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Forward it goes. Done very well to intervene. Gets into a dangerous position. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Just brushed off the ball there. Tries to stroke it through. Face to face, big chance! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Gets up to head it! That's a half-decent try.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Tries to get it forward quickly. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Quick ball forward. Over to the left. And the weighted pass. The less said about that pass, the better. Played back in. Has he found his man? He gets past his man. Cleared away. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. And that's sprayed out wide.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Up towards the front line. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Hoists it forward. Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. Goes direct to the front line. And the first half is done. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but still had its moments, and ultimately produced just one goal. A decent game up to now.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Leading 1-0 at the break. And we're already back underway here. A solitary goal, that has been the crucial difference.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
Looking to hit the front line. Tried to play it through.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
And it's played forward. Gets wrestled off the ball. Played in with accuracy. Well played, he saw that coming. Forward it goes. And it's played forward. Well, that's where he wants it. Well positioned to make that interception. Tries to get it forward quickly. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Hoists it forward. Oh, good interception. It's being played forward. A buccaneering run from the defender. Looking for a decent ball in. Has a hit! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work out.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. That's not going to make it. Tries to get it forward quickly. And once more they can't get through. What a ball! He's gone for it! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Has he found his man? Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Beautifully executed. Up he gets! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Forward it goes. And it's played forward. Looking for space out wide. Massive leap! He's still well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Oh, what a great leap. He had no right to get to that.
Looks to bypass the midfield. Hoists it forward. That's been drilled forward. Oh, well played, he saw that coming. Forward it goes. It's come... Oh, shooting chance!
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
It's a great gallop down the right-hand side. Going through. Chance to cross here.
Well, when the options aren't quite present in the box, it's the crosser's interest to hold on for the support.
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Tries to get it forward quickly. One 1-0 as we head towards the end. He has it out wide now. Towering header! Good delivery, but no joy.
Now that was a slick move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Gets it back. Looks to dink one in. Gets the better of his man.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
That's not going far.
Look, with time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Is there any support? He might not need it. And that is that. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it.